Hello, and in this video, we'll cover a list of inventory items and add their cells based on product codes or words. For example, we have a list of products and their cells that came from another system. Notice how the product numbers have codes in them. Separating these codes manually will be time-consuming. We also added colors for this video to highlight the differences. The PR codes in red can be at the end, beginning, or middle of the product number. Let's use SUMIF and SUMIFs with a twist. First, let's get the cells for products with PR codes. Select the cell where you need the answer and type equals SUMIF, open parentheses. For the range, select the product codes. Then type a comma, and then we're going to add quotes because we are looking for text. Then inside the text, we're going to type the wildcard or the asterisk at the beginning and at the end of PR, and we're going to close the quotes. After the comma, add the sum range, which is what are we adding. Close the parentheses, and the answer appears. Verify the result by adding them manually. Using the AutoSum feature, the shortcut is L equal, select the cells, and press enter. We are now adding the MCC product codes with the SUMIF function. Select the cells column, then followed by a comma, then the products column or criteria range. In this case, we're going to type inside the quotes and the asterisk MCC. We're going to close that out, close parentheses, and then press enter. Checking our answer of $2.5 million, and that's correct. Also, if you want to only get products that end with MCC, just remove the last asterisk, as we see in the formula bar. And to find codes at the beginning of the cell, just remove the first asterisk. Let's add the last one more time. And then we're going to press enter, and here's the answer. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tips, and get your free 26 Excel shortcuts in the description below. Now, what if we want to add two different codes like Florida and BC from the same column? In this cell, type equals SUMIF, open parentheses, select the product codes range, comma, add quotes, then the asterisk, Florida, followed by another asterisk in quote, comma, select the sum range, and we are going to connect the second set for the BC codes with another SUMIF, and we're going to follow the same steps. Now, in this case, make sure to close the parentheses at the end. We're about to add the sum range one more time. Close that down and enter. If you are like me that loves the SUMIF function, here's an example for you. We're selecting what are we adding, then the criteria. Again, we're going to type the same syntax with the wildcards. And also very important, if the wildcards are not case sensitive. So you'll see here that I'm going to type the BC code in a moment using a lowercase, and that's fine. I'm going to get the same result. And so long as you remember the wildcards are meant for text or numbers with text in them. I'm about to close this down with a parentheses and enter. You should get the same result. We hope this video saves you a lot of time when adding things in Excel. Let us know in the comments, and thank you for watching.